Being creative and skillful is a vital resource. In Negros Oriental, we have hundreds of skilled craftsmen with limited access to the market. Subida, as a social enterprise, is committed in locating underrepresented craftsmen. Not only do we train them, but we also provide them tools and purchase their products while they work from home. This way, the growing domestic and foreign tourist market in our province get to see crafts that best reflect the Filipino culture. In 2015, we opened our first retail shop. Today, we have 4 with a 5th one on the way. We continuously infuse back earnings to buy our craftsmen more tools and to gear the Subida training facility. Currently, we are working with more than 100 craftsmen. Subida means ascending or going up, a core value that Subida forges with the community. As we move up, we take everyone with us.